Ever wished you could control your neon sign from your phone? Maybe adjust the brightness, change colors, or even schedule when it turns on and off. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into whether neon signs actually have dedicated apps and how you can control them with your smartphone. Neon signs have come a long way. From the classic, hand-blown glass masterpieces to the modern, energy-efficient LED versions, they've become a staple in homes, businesses, and even public spaces. But with technology constantly evolving, it's natural to wonder if we can now control these dazzling displays with the tap of a finger. Addressing the core question. So, the big question, does neon have an app? The short answer is, it depends. Traditional neon signs. Unfortunately, no. Traditional neon signs, with their glass tubes and gas-filled interiors, rely on physical switches or dimmers. You won't find any app compatibility here. LED Neon Flex. This is where things get interesting. Many modern LED Neon Flex options come with app integration. These flexible, energy-efficient alternatives often utilize Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows you to control aspects like brightness, adjust the intensity of the glow to suit the mood. Color, cycle through a rainbow of colors or select your favorites. Scheduling, create custom schedules to turn your neon on and off automatically. Remote control, control your neon from anywhere within range of your Wi-Fi network. Finding app-compatible neon. If you're looking for app-controlled neon, here are a few things to keep in mind when shopping. Look for smart or app-controlled in the product description. Check for compatibility with popular smart home ecosystems like Alexa or Google Home. Read customer reviews to see if other users have had positive experiences with the app. Benefits of app control. Controlling your neon sign with an app offers several advantages. Convenience, adjust settings without leaving your couch. Versatility, create dynamic lighting effects for parties or special occasions. Energy efficiency, schedule your neon to turn off when not in use. Customization, personalize your lighting experience to match your unique style. While traditional neon signs might not have app support, the rise of LED Neon Flex technology has opened up a world of possibilities for smart home integration. So, if you're dreaming of a personalized and interactive lighting experience, explore the options for app-controlled neon signs available today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.